on the side of those. I didn't even name them because I made them out of some pancake batter that I had that was red velvet. And all I added to them was butter and eggs. And turn the oven off and go to bed. And you forget about them until the next morning, so that's why they call them forgotten cooked. And I have red ones on the side of those. I didn't even name them because I made them out of some pancake batter that I had that was red velvet. And all I added to them was butter and eggs.
Okay.
Real poofy.
I gotta try that. Before we go.
They said 11 o'clock, I'm there now. And I stay at there, I leave the folks.
Okay. Very good. I'm Miss Elvira, and I used to love to cook, and I still love to cook, and I do what I can. And what I made, I set up last night, called myself making something real nice. But my, it looks a holy mess. But believe, it looks a mess. But believe me, it really do taste good.
All right.
And give it a chance before you all say, no. All right. Yeah.
Oh, I'm Janice Bowman. I live out North Chapel Hill Road, and I've been coming in here for years since I've been out here.
Around and have this, I bring my recipe and samples.
All right.
Okay, other people, I'm gonna introduce yourself anyway.
Go on, here, you know.
Workers here, and anybody want to introduce and say something, please?
My name is Eva Watson, and I'm a friend of Joanne Cheatham, the second female that stood up. And my favorite book, I like.
You told me I'm on my own now. 2 years old. I'm starting done a little better right there.
Yeah.
She's still cooking for me. Okay? But anyway, we're gonna go around, tell them what you brought and what easy and one hard thing about those cookies. I'm gonna tell you about me. The hardest thing was you got to, if you said 325, everybody tell me everybody else is different. Some got electricity, some got gas. You gotta be careful around the edge because once they start getting a little dog, under there they're gonna be dog. I done bought a lot of cookies. And the easy thing was the recipe. I didn't do no whole lot of add no flavor. I didn't do none of that. So y'all would be the cookie taste. Okay? Next person. Square cookie. But it's peanut butter and graham crackers and the butterscotch candy. And you mix it the way it's supposed to be layered, and you slice it. But some kind of way it did, the recipe calls for it to be pretty and all of this. But honey, when I got through with it, it was nothing like that. It was nothing like that. And so, like I say, you gonna be surprised.
All right.
All right.
Surprise is always good.
I had persimmon cookies, and I used the persimmon from our persimmon tree. This was the season. Walnuts are in there, pecans. There's 1 egg, flour, and I also I didn't use white sugar, I used raw sugar. And what else did I have? But it turned out good. Now the thing was, I didn't quite the temperature in the stove. So everything should be brown or not brown. So I think it turned out really good. Raisins also in there.
Oh, I'd like it better than that.
So I think it turned out pretty good. Cinnamon in there, and nutmeg, and there's clover. Is in the cookies. So I carried some to the Wood Center to the young man that works there. cause I lost my recipe for it. I looked for the recipe. I couldn't remember which Southern Living cookbook it was in.
Okay.
I looked in the 79, which was the first cookbook that they put out, and I just knew it was in there. But it wasn't in there. Must be 89 or something. I said, I'm not gonna look for it. So I told him, Greg, I said, you need to go online and find me that persimmon recipe. So he found a real good one. It was easy. So it's nothing to do. It's really good. So you just sift your flour with everything in there. That's it.
Okay.
But it was good. I carried him 12 of them, and he knocked them out this morning. They said it was good. So I tried to watch the movie instead of coming to the cooking spot, but I didn't come to the
I've been a lot of
You
years.
sure
All right, Doc.
That's it.
Throwing it together.
You have any help?
Yes, I did.
Illegal stuff.
Yeah, because I'm having problems with my eyes, so my daughter, decided to help me a little bit, but I did the stirring.
You did the stir. That's
The
important.
mixing.
That's a good part.
You don't have to taste anything.
What the bad and the good part of the cooking? Anything hard or not? Uh-huh.
Yeah, mine was hard. I tried to soften them up, sprinkle them a little bit, put back in there. They were soft at the moment, but I think they're hard right now, so.
What kind of cookies you have? I'm sorry.
Chocolate chip.
Oh, you said chocolate chip.
You know, I told y'all that we got a big surprise. So if we be living next year, everything go well for next year's cooking squad. This gonna be one requirement. With your dozen cookies, you will have to invite somebody that loves to bake. Okay? So I'm gonna start working on mine right now.
But it can't be each other?
Yeah. We can invite this one somebody. Okay? And we're gonna put this name in a little drawing. That we'll be living and we can do it. Okay?
Oh, so the guest is, pardon me, ma'am, the guest is the one that gets the gift.
That's correct.
We don't get nothing.
I can appreciate
Just the
you.
satisfaction of bringing somebody.
Okay? But like we said, we are all cookie bakers. This is something new. I got this idea from a young lady who used to work at Maker's Hill Library. And she just said right here, so in a minute, we got a lot of recipes. I want y'all to taste it. And taste a piece of cheese, because we know you taste a piece of cheese, you eat a cookie. You're gonna see the same taste, but nobody's cooking, okay?
Oh,
We got a little refreshment. Thank you, this Miss Joanne. She's a good cook too, but she decided she's gonna bring a little tuna salad, and she made us some punch. We'd appreciate that, okay?
Yes.
And so, y'all get a chance to mingle, taste cookies. And also, we got a little Ziploc bag if you want to carry 1 or 2 home. Because like you said, I never asked to tell you what was hard about that.
Nothing. It's really more like candy. You take the chocolate, the butterscotch chips. I did it, you can do it in the microwave, so my sister said. But I did it on the stove, and when the butterscotch melt, you pour in the cocktail peanuts and chow mein noodles, and you stir it all up, make sure it's all covered, and drop them out on wax paper, and they set themselves up, and you don't even have to refrigerate them or anything, just put them in a sealed container.
and they look
Okay.
And you have something else to share with the group about the store that's going out of business? And
Oh, the kitchen, the pan I got, they were asking about kitchen collections or collectible or whatever it is in Vicksburg.
collection, yeah.
It's going out of business, and I asked them, I said, well, y'all still have the store in Pearl? She said, no.
Yeah, the whole company's shut down.
So, and they're hoping to have everything done by Christmas Eve.
Okay, well,
But they
I'll
had a
do
whole
that.
state of